Hi, my name's Chris Noble. I'm an independent IT consultant and I'm here to tell you how to install a network switch. The things you'll need for this are a network switch, an Ethernet cable and your computer. A network switch is a piece of hardware that's used to connect multiple computers or multiple hubs or switches on a network. Network switches are quite simple devices, so this is probably one of the easiest installations you'll ever perform. The first step is to take the network switch out of its box, find the power supply, plug it into the wall. Second step is to take the Ethernet cable and plug the Ethernet cable into any of the ports on the network switch and connect the other end of the cable to your computer. If you are installing the network switch in line with other devices on your network, then plug the Ethernet cable instead of into your computer, into a hub or router on your network. My name's Chris Noble, and that's how to install a network switch.